In this video, I will be showing you how to make Discord emojis. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, we're going to go into Vectornator and hit plus icon to make a new project. And now I have a Discord emoji preset, but what you would press, because you wouldn't have that, is you'd go to new document, custom, and then make a custom size and make it 175 pixels by 175 pixels. I'm going to click Discord emoji since I already have it. And now what you're going to do is go to the shape tool, make a circle. And you're just going to drag out the circle, but then press another finger down to keep the proportions of the circle. So it's still a circle and doesn't turn into an oval. So now I'm just going to center it using the alignment tools and arrange. You select the circle and align them. So you'd align it on vertically and horizontally. Once you do that, then you would want to click on this and click fill. I'm going to go with a gradient. And color, but I think we're just going to use this. And then you want to draw the face now on top of it. So you could make a completely new layer if you'd like. Now we're going to draw the face. This will be a smiley face. So basically we'd have the eyes like this. And then press this button right here and then so that you select it, or you could drag it and it would duplicate, and then you could just put a smile like that. And then of course get rid of the fill because you don't want to fill on the face, and there you go. And you could color the eyes differently if you'd like, but this will be the new smile face. Next, what you want to do is hit the share button and then PNG. Make sure transparency is turned on. Then you click export. And then what you want to do is save image. Now, you want to exit out of Vectornator. And what you want to do is go into Discord. And once you are in Discord, you want to click on your server, click on settings, click on emojis. And then you would want to upload emoji. Click on this. And then you could crop it or whatever. And now it says emoji 19. To rename it, you click on the name, and then we're just gonna click smile. Now, if you go out of your settings, go into general talk, then you go to the emojis button over here, and then you click smile emoji. There you go. So anyways guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. This was just to show you how to make Discord emojis and how simple it is. And you could make them much more complex designs, but that's just a basic tutorial. So anyways, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.